Hey, we've got lettuce here. Have you ever wanted to drink lettuce and not make it look like garbage? Like, imagine if you could sneak in lettuce juice into your school, like it was alcohol or something. I'm gonna do something that's vaguely related to what I just described. We're gonna try distilling lettuce from the solid form of it. So let's jam it all into this blender here, and in our NutriBullet system, which normally would be used, of course, to extract the nutrients. Now we're going to, well, I guess we're technically going to extract the nutrients, but we're going to do a lot more than that. We're going to take the flavors of lettuce and leave all the nutrients behind to make, to give all the taste of lettuce without any of the benefits. Now here, as you can see, it's finally formed a liquid type of solution. I don't know what to call this besides liquid lettuce. And I'm going to use this antique distillation flask that I took from my college days, or really I was given. Don't come after me. We got a thermometer. We're going to collect it in another round bottom flask here. Basically now we're going to load the liquid lettuce into the bottom of our antique distillation flask here. This is sped up, of course, because I'm not going to make everyone sit through 20 seconds of loading lettuce. It's a liquid still. Now we got our just standard household pan that we're going to fill with vegetable oil, which has a which has a high ability to withstand high amounts of heat. It can transfer heat to our flask. Let's raise it up a bit so that the liquid doesn't have to come off very far. Turn that heat up. As you can see, we got some very initial droplets forming, starting to run down. This is now our lettuce flavored water. I assume I haven't tried it yet at this point. The liquid lettuce is now looking quite bubbly as we're heating it like beyond 100 Celsius or like 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It's dropping out. As I said before, a lot of water in here. So as that water condenses on that arm, I have to put ice cubes in that rag and keep it cool so it has a place to condense. And this is in real time here, so it's dripping pretty rapidly, and we're collecting a good amount of stuff. This is sped up now. But I want a significant amount to not only taste, but I also like to store these things so I can look at them later. So I think maybe like 10 milliliters would be acceptable here. Already this is going a lot better than my milk distillation, which if you haven't seen it, hey, check out that video because it's a doozy. This lettuce is looking pretty crap. I guess lettuce isn't really designed to be heated up that much. But once I felt like I had satisfied my volumetric amount that I wanted, then I stopped everything, and look how liquidy it is. That's water. You put that in a flask and take it to a middle school concert. I don't know. Here's me tasting a little bit of it. Gulp. It was pretty horrible. I would say it tasted like it tastes exactly like spinach, but kind of watery, as you might expect. So thank you everyone for stopping by. This is a pretty short video, but I learned a lot. I really had a great time, and I'll see you next time. See ya.